Alright, here we go. Got the old drill out. Gonna go ahead and drill out these welds here. Probably go to about right here, all the way to right here. Try to cut out here. See where I'm at after that. Maybe get up the inner out of there and see how far I got to come up into this. So my son decided to tell me, every time you start one of your mini videos, before you clip them all into one, you say, all right. Well, all right. Here we go. Got some welds drilled out. Getting the angle grinder out. Made a few lines, some rough cuts. And trim that out. Put the tire on. See where we're at. Merger. I went ahead, zip tied, pulled back all my wiring so I wouldn't hit it with the drill nor the grinder. Don't know what the hell I'll do with that. Hopefully it's got enough slack in it to where when I put the trailer fenders in there, it'll lift it up where the hood will still close, but the tires can still tuck. This is just the driver's side. Not even dicking with that right now. On the passenger side, gonna leave it on until this one's done. Just gonna individually jack it up there with the hand jack instead of dropping the truck down every single time. Thing's a beast. Working on that S10, I can damn near get under it and bench press the son of a bitch, but this thing is kind of sketchy. Alright, well, drilling out all them plug welds. Dumbass. Wasn't a smart move because I had to cut way more than that out, so wasted a few minutes doing that. Went ahead and started getting my cuts. I went ahead and just went along with that support there. I'm gonna go ahead and put a tire on it and see where I'm at. Might have to trim out some more back here. Pinned up my wires so I hopefully didn't nip any of them with my grinder. I'll look over it later. Still gotta get rid of that ugly ABS. Alright, we got that side done. Waiting for trailer fenders. Went ahead, I'm gonna pull this battery box. Try to see what that box is. Still kind of looking up at it. Trying to find some information. Guess this thing had factory air ride on it, so I'm gonna see what's plugged in still on that. Hopefully I'm gonna get that thing going. Make some space for these wheels. Pretty happy. Hopefully before I go to bed tonight on the 3rd of July, this thing's gonna sit flat. Definitely gonna have to relocate battery over to either the back. I'm guessing probably the back, just keep it accessible. I hate doing them on frame. Then your only option other than climbing under a dead mini truck, sitting aired out, you ain't got nothing to get on jumper cables with or anything like that. You're almost better off running racing lugs so you have somewhere you can access some positive and negative terminals, but I'm gonna do it in the back to where easy access. Clean up this little area here, pin some stuff back. Just gonna zip tie it for now, make it easy, simple. Get it out of the way, and then once I get the fenders in there, I can see where it's all gonna end up at. All right, we got the passenger side cut out. Hopefully it's plenty of room, just like the driver's side was. Fenders off, pain in the ass. Whole lot of room there. Get some trailer tubs in both sides. Gonna throw the wheels on now. Make sure it lays out flat. and I'll get some more pics for you later. Well, all right, there she is. Pretty excited about this. Tucked super hard in the back, always. But now I'm finally tucking some wheel in the front. I love that. Before all the chop outs, I wasn't even tucking tire, maybe a 1/4 inch of it. Now I'm up in there past the wheel lip. I'm laying frame. Super stoked. Makes me feel very happy. Didn't finish putting the front end back together, but definitely a happy camper. I'm laying frame. Still doesn't sit flat, but I don't know how much flatter I can get sitting on cross member. I could probably go ahead and do a aftermarket or custom cross member on it, but that'll give me another 1/4 inch drop on the front, and she's done. Got to do some more reassembly. I'll go ahead and do that later in time, but still got enough room to get the trailer fenders in there. Definitely pretty happy about it. Wasn't even gonna work on this part of it till winter time, but I said, hey, it's 90 degrees outside. That's way better in winter time. When it's 40 degrees, I'm running heater. Now I just got a big ass fan. Well, got her. I'll get it all put back together. Do another little walkthrough on it. Might not even do that. Might just go ahead and put it back together and do a finished video of it. Still got the American flags flying for the 4th of July. America in mini trucking. Gotta love it. The pumpkin is finally where I'm liking it. Oh yeah. Here's my only spot. Sitting on a cross member down there. Hell, I'll drag that shit off. Shock mounts ain't hitting like I thought they would. Thought the shock mounts were gonna hit, or maybe the bottom of the control arms. But they're good. There's that cross member. That's what we're laying on. But it's all good. I'm definitely super happy. So yeah, another 3 o'clock. Well, going on 3:30 morning. Had a few to drink, but comes with it. This is what happens. Said I'm gonna get you guys updated on the relocation process of some of the crap I had to move. I just enjoy seeing this Expedition's front end sitting down below my shoulders. Yeah, I'm taller than a Ford Expedition. Where you see that at? See that roof? I love it. Got that engine bay. Got a couple things in there need to be moved. A couple plastic crap. I'll either make a new one or figure out where I'm going to move them to. And I'll get this front end put back down. So this is going to wrap up the video on the front end. You don't need to see the assembly part. You already got to see the whole disassembly part, which that was a learning process for me. A little more shit than I was used to with the S10. 6 bolts each side, so you're less than 20 bolts, and I had that whole S10 tore apart. Look at that thing sitting down. That's how I like it. Well, checking out. Good night, folks. It's been real.